Hey guys, I don't know about you, but when I was a kid, I loved playing NBA Street. That's why I'm making this video about how I created my own NBA Street style basketball court at my own house. In NBA Street, they had a court that you played at called Ruckers Park. It's in New York City. This is what inspired me to do my basketball court in this.
Perfect day in New York, Ruckers Park. Let's get it on.
Anyone can put down a slab. That's easy-ish, but painting it really adds that little bit of spice to your backyard. So the slab I'm painting today is 16 by 24, which makes it smaller than most courts, so I had to do some creative taping. My plan is to do a 2/3 the size of a middle school regulation basketball court. That way it's off only a couple feet from the 3-point line. And that also allows us to have the full key in there and still look quite proportional. I only added 2 hash marks to this court because I expect that our primary use is going to be 2v2 or 1v1. Therefore, there's no need for a bunch of hashes, but I can always add them later on if I really want to. All right, guys, I'm going to get out there, get this done, so we can start playing basketball as soon as possible. So I poured the slab for a basketball court for my son. And now it's time, it's settled, it's ready to be painted. I'm using a stain on it to, so it'll have more of the texture of the concrete. First, I'm gonna be applying this primer in just a minute here. This looks like it'll be enough since our slab is 16 by 24. I'm gonna have to wait 4 hours for it to dry. And I got green and red paint, so all I really have to do is just apply it using the roller brush. And I'm gonna get started here, but first I'm gonna clean off the slab since it's never been used for cars. I don't really need to worry about oil or degreaser, but you know, if you ever put down stain, you do need to clean it off. Okay, so I've taped it off with 1 hash on each side because we're pretty much going to be playing 1-on-1 or 1-on-2. My goal is to leave the taped area. I'm going to paint it white later, but for now, it'll stay the color it is. Because either way, there's going to be some bleed. And then with this, I'm going to apply this right now, green, and I'll do red later. It can do this whole size. This is about 400 square feet total, so it should definitely get the entire slab and the driveway. And it's easy to clean up afterwards. Dry time is 1 hour. Perfect. Here's a progress track just because I got text. So I'm definitely going to need a second layer just to smooth out some of these inconsistencies, but I think it's already looking pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more with the red just to even out a couple spots. The green, definitely I need to get a second gallon, but where I did apply it a second time, it looks fantastic. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. I haven't been able to find any more of the green stain, so at this point, it just is what it is. This is where it's at. When I get the green paint, I will do another layer, cover up the lines, and then I'm gonna paint them white with traffic paint. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment if you have any questions. I'd love to help you. We're just gonna have to pull up the tape, play it without any lines. I can't do another layer of green, but the red looks fantastic.